Welcome to Twib, your all-in-one solution for field sales management, CRM, and sales reporting. Today, we'll explore overcoming B2B lead generation challenges, a crucial aspect for businesses. Lead generation is essential for business success. New clients won't just hand over their money. You need to convince them that you're the right choice. B2B sales require convincing, education, and a more complex approach. Why are B2B marketers facing lead generation challenges? B2B lead generation is complex due to senior decision makers, less emotion, and a cautious buying process. Lead scoring is critical but challenging. Technology, like Twib, can simplify it. B2B lead generation involves marketing strategies targeting a qualified prospect audience. Twib facilitates this process, making lead generation in B2B smoother. Challenges include designing an effective strategy, ensuring proper tracking, and remaining positive throughout the process. Twib streamlines the process, maximizing your team's efficiency. Generating revenue quickly is vital for staying in business. B2B sales require lead generation first, different from B2C. Twib helps you adapt. Unsuccessful lead generation causes emotional burnout. Despite efforts, not getting the right leads can be devastating. Twib offers solutions to improve your lead generation efforts and overcome emotional setbacks. In a rapidly changing business landscape, leaders struggle with lead generation strategies. Twib provides successful strategies for navigating the complexities of B2B lead generation. B2B lead generation is challenging but worth the effort. Implementing digital marketing strategies is key. Use Twib, the popular lead generation app, to succeed in your B2B business. Get started with Twib today. Visit our website and experience the power of seamless field sales management, CRM, and sales reporting. Visit Twib online to elevate your B2B sales game.